my dog, Milo, this is where he gets his water. Right now it's not active. I'm gonna turn it on and show you how it works. So it's basically endless water supply that's fed from the water hose to a inlet. Everything was bought at the Home Depot for under $50. And you can adjust the water level the way you want it to be with this little lever here. So when the water reaches a certain height, it's going to shut off and the water remains inside this bowl here. And the dog always has fresh water. So his water's here, is always fresh, and he never runs out.